If you want to remove all saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to open Firefox Password Manager and permanently delete every saved login from your browser. This is useful if you want to start fresh, clear out old accounts, or improve your privacy on a shared computer. Before we begin, make sure you are comfortable with this step because once you remove saved passwords, Firefox will not keep them for autofill anymore. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu, depending on how you normally open your browser. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main Firefox menu, and it gives you access to a lot of browser settings and tools. From the menu that appears, click Passwords. This will open the Firefox Password Manager, where all of your saved usernames and passwords are stored. If you've used Firefox to save logins for websites before, you should see them listed here. This is the section we need in order to delete everything at once. Now that the Password Manager is open, look again to the upper right corner of the Password Manager page. You'll see a three-dot menu icon there. Click that three-dot menu to open more options for managing your saved passwords. This menu contains the tools you need for bulk removal instead of deleting each password one by one. From the options that appear, select Remove All Passwords. Firefox will then show a confirmation message to make sure you understand what's about to happen. This warning explains that all saved usernames and passwords will be permanently deleted. That means Firefox will no longer remember them for websites you've saved before, so double check that you really want to continue. If you're sure, click Remove All to confirm. Firefox will immediately delete all saved passwords from the Password Manager. Once that's done, your saved logins will be cleared from the browser and you'll need to re-enter your passwords manually the next time you sign in to websites. And that's it. You've successfully removed all saved passwords in Mozilla Firefox. This is a quick and effective way to clean up old login data and reset your browser's password storage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.